Alright, so this video is showing you, I got these new Color Street Real Nail Polish strips. They're so pretty. I love them so much. Just felt like trying them out because I was tired of using other products on my nails. Hope you could see these okay. Alright, the one I'm going for is the At the Plaza. This one's called Gold Coast, this one's called Coral Coast, and this one's called Mint to Be. So wish me luck. Let's see how this works out. I might speed the video up so you could see this in a quicker time. So the directions are right there. You have to remove the clear cover. Alright, like so. Smells like nail polish, you can tell already. And before I do that, they want you to peel this off and buff your nails. Oh wow, that's really heavy. Okay, let's just do this one in case. Okay, so that's that. Boom. All right, get this little guy out. All right, now am I the only one having problems opening this? It's like insane. Alright. That stinks like polish. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is like the prettiest color ever in the world. I'm exaggerating clearly. Alright, so wow, they give you a lot of these. Okay. Honestly, you're just supposed to remove this clear top, peel the polish strip, tear the tab, and rip this end off at the perforated line. Did I see that right? Apply to nail and gently stretch to fit. File excess right off. Yeah, that sounds easy. Okay. Like for me, honestly, I don't even want to use that, but all right, guys, let's try. So remove the clear cover. Voila. Peel the polish strip. Okay. Where? I'm assuming. Oh. Okay. Tear tab and select end. Oh shit. Okay. Oh. Alright. Apply to nail and stretch to fit. Okay, what side do I? Oh, fuck. Probably should have pushed my cuticles back a bit. Fuck. They say stretch to fit, but do they mean it? I guess. I can't see doing this to my left hand, like, whatsoever. Not even in the least. It's insane. Ooh, but it's so pretty. Okay. Okay. What do you think? Gotta tell you, that's pretty cool. It smells just like polish. What a trip. Alright, fam. Let's finish it up. You could speed along if you'd like. I think I'm getting the hang of it. This shit is crazy though, let me tell you. Probably should have pushed it back. I feel like doing one side is kind of the best way to do it. Oh my god. Fuck. Okay. Kind of went over the cuticle a bit, but that's okay. Okay, let's try this bad boy. Honestly, I think I'm just winging it at this point. Excuse the hiccups. Here we go. It's gonna be hiccup fucking central now. Mother of God. Clearly, I don't have patience right now. Oh yeah. And I really needed a fresh manicure, but I didn't get it. I don't know why this shit is so long. Maybe it's because you need to be able to you know, like have massively long nails too. But I feel like I'm wasting a lot of this, which is crazy. I guarantee though, like I'm really curious if this is going to come up tomorrow, because I decided to wash my hair tomorrow and not today. Okay. I kind of regret not doing this now, because how pretty are these? Alright, what else? Maybe I should. You know what? I'm gonna fucking try one of these bitches. You guys are witnessing madness. Because I'm so obsessed with this color right here that I just need to take it out right now. I just think it's so pretty. I can't even handle it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, I can't. But did I make a fatal mistake with the color? Sorry, this should be right here in the camera view, yes. It's really hard not doing this on a table. Gotta tell you though, whoever came up with this, pretty cool stuff. Because it's fucking paint. No. No patience. I honestly feel like this one's more like it. Oh yeah. That I am loving now. Loving. Okay, all better. So, might have screwed up my pinky, but I don't care. just gonna keep going. Thank you, but not interested in this color anymore. Okay. Well, that just came right off. Now I know why they gave you that many. Toad's obsessed. only complaint with this is that you have to use them right away. And it's like, what if I need to fix it later? That's my only complaint. Like, the color selection is sick. I love it all. They're pretty cheap for the fact that you're paying for your own manicure. They're 10, 11, or 12 bucks, something like that. But it's just like, you gotta get rid of them right away. And it's a little bullshit. Whatever. Make sure you push your cuticles back. Like, I just realized that's a big reason why I was having a hard time, is that I wasn't caring about my cuticles for this little manicure I did. And I really wasn't measuring up, which another thing I probably should have did. Already, if you're asking me, would I buy these again? Yeah. Probably. For the simple fact that they don't ruin your nails. Just seems no way that they could ruin your nails. So, yeah, I'd buy them. Would I wear them for like a wedding or something big? Prob not. And that's because I don't know, just not getting used to putting them on. But it is my first time putting them on, so maybe I would have a good experience the next time. I will say that they're easy to take off, because when I was taking off the color I put on before, because I'm a savage, yeah, I mean, it looked good. This one might be taken off again. Let's see. I am making a sick mess. Thank God the video is not on that part of the room. But yeah, it's looking crazy. Alright. Before I lose all feeling in my goddamn foot. Okay. Let's do one of the last few so I could sign off. Sorry about any vocal fry. That annoys the shit out of me when I hear that. So I don't mean to do it to you now. But yeah, I'm in deep thought. Plus, I just went through 2 packs and I only planned on doing 1 for this video, so just crazy doing mad shit now. I'm definitely impressed by these though, because when I just pulled the pink ones off before, it was pretty hard to pull off. I will say though, they say that you could stretch these a little bit. Don't pull too hard, because you're gonna tug the whole thing and it's gonna rip. Alright. And also take your time doing it. I've seen other YouTubes where the girls are just flying through this. Just, it's not that easy. I promise you. Some of these come with really pretty designs. You could pick solids, you could pick glitters, you could pick designs. I don't know why I picked these colors. It's my birthday's coming up and I'm going to Bermuda, so I wanted to pick something that was gonna pop. I was thinking of really getting my nails done, and I was like, you know, let me try these. I've heard about them everywhere. So, and I gotta say, pretty cool. Would I sell these? I don't know. I know they have like these little parties where you could sell these and stuff. I can't really see any of my friends buying them right off the bat because they're really skeptical of stuff like this. Pretty much just to see how long they're gonna last is the big question. Since you are paying $11 and you're going through what I'm doing right now, you want these to last like a little while. And if they're not gonna, then that just sucks. Also, stupid side note, I do have to wash my hair tomorrow. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning of the video. Probably because I'm just rambling. Thinking nobody's gonna even watch this video, so yeah. But the big kicker is to see if these bad boys last through washing this crazy hair that I have. What do you think? Which one? This one? It's falling short. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna be a tough. Fuck it. What if I did this? Nope. Gotta tell ya, I think I screwed up. Whatevs. Screwed up somewhere. So it would be cool if I could take these on vacation with me. And like if a nail chipped, I'd be like, oops, fixing with my nail stickers. And then done. This is crazy. It looks crazy, right? Oh, shit. Fucked up totally with that nail one. I don't know where I use that other pinky now. Probably somewhere all over the bed. Plus also, I'm losing patience. It's really late. It's midnight. So I'm getting like antsy to see how this comes out. I don't have the best camera setup. I don't know if you could see. Kinda sucks. I'm too lazy to put on my GoPro hat holder thing. I do have something cool like that. And I didn't want to set up a tripod for this, so. Also can't wait to see how it feels to like scratch my head. Why did I go over the cuticle on that one? What a jerk. Whatevs. So, this is the brown brink of it. Not even a word. I have no idea. Anyway, this is it. think this is as good as it's getting, fam. Again, B-Color Street. This is meant to be. BeColorStreet.com. These are them.